Adding interactions to your wireframes is easy. When you select a component, the interaction panel will display a list of possible events to which you can attach interactions. Events happen when a user interacts with your wireframe and could be a mouse click, double click, moving the mouse pointer over or out of a component, and so on. Let's attach a simple action to a button click. We want this button to take the user to a different page in the project. Selecting the button will show what events are available for this component. When we move the mouse cursor over this event, a list of possible actions will be displayed below. The first action is the one we're looking for. This is the action that navigates from one page to another in the wireframe. Click the Action button, and a list of all pages in the project will be displayed. You can select the destination page, or alternatively, you can choose to navigate to the previously viewed page or to the default page of your wireframe. This interaction is, of course, the most common, so its setup is very quick on purpose. Other actions, however, have more options, so they also have a setup panel with the corresponding settings. To customize the settings for an action, just click it, and the setup panel will be displayed. To remove an action from the list, simply click on the little X icon on the right. In some cases, you will need to handle different situations for a certain event. For instance, when the user clicks on different menu entries in a menu bar, a list, a drop-down, or similar components. For such events, you'll have to choose from a list of possible options, corresponding to the data you input into the component. There's also a generic case, which will always be handled when the event is triggered. For each case, only the list of actions that have been chosen will be executed. You can reorder the actions with drag and drop. The actions attached to an event will be executed sequentially, one after another. This means that if an action will take longer to execute, the following action will be delayed until the execution of the current action is finished.